Thank you for ordering your fluid bed powder coating station from Heartland Makes. In today's video, we're going to show you real quickly how to assemble this, identify all the parts, and get yours up and running in no time. So let's go ahead and get started. We're going to show you how it's going to come to you packaged in the box. The package you receive will have gray components. In this video, I'll be showing you the green simply because it's going to show up easier on the video. We're going to start out by identifying all the parts. You're going to have, at the very top of the box, you're going to have your extra fluid cup, and you'll notice that it's got a cap on the top and the bottom. The bottom's easily identified because it has a lot more thread so that it can go into the base. Your other two cups will actually have the base attached to them, as well as the filters installed. While we're talking about the filters, I'll go ahead and tell you I've done a lot of experimentation between using 2, 3, 4, and 5 filters, and I have found 4 to be the best for me, and that's how these units ship. They will have the filters installed, so all that you have to do is just connect it. Now, start by identifying your 2 cups that have the bases attached. You'll notice that there's a hole in the bottom. That hole is where the air valve is going to go. Before we put the complete cup into the base, locate the hole in the bottom of your complete cup, and you'll see that it's threaded. So you can put this valve, which will be what you control your air with, into this hole. You can just kind of smash it in there and then give it a couple of twists and it'll tighten on down in there. Be careful, this is plastic and you can break those valves. But the thing that I do like about these valves being small, you can operate it with one hand. After you've got your valve installed, you can go ahead and put your complete cup into the base unit. It's going to feel really tight. Just smash it down good and it'll go in there and it's going to hold that securely for you. Same thing with the second complete cup. Install the valve after you get it pointed in the right direction, and I've got these made to where they'll point to the right. We're going to go ahead and hook up the hose, and I'm going to show you this doing 1 cup at a time so it's easier to see, and the second complete cup is not in the way while we're doing the hose routing on the first one. Second one is the same thing. Press that complete cup into the base unit and then route the hose through the guides. Then you can connect both hoses to your air pump that does come with the kit. And then if you'll notice, there's a little valve on the back of your air pump. I unscrew that all the way to the left, but you can adjust that however you need. The goal here is to get between 1 and 3 psi. When you pour your powder into the cup, you want to make sure that your valves are turned off. After you get what you believe to be enough, and normally just maybe a quarter of one of those cans or a couple of 3 or 4 tablespoons, however you want to measure it out, you can go ahead and start loosening that valve. Loosen it real slowly. If you go to the left, it's going to start allowing air into the fluid bed chamber. And then you may want to shake this a little bit with one of your hands, because this can actually, if that powder is packed tightly, it can kind of try to push it all up and it'd be like a little mini cannon going off. You don't want that powder all over the place. So kind of just jiggle it a little bit while you're doing the valve until you get it to the boil. This will be a good time to tell you if you've got chunky or clumpy powder, they're not all going to boil this smoothly. So you might need to shake that can really hard before you start turning on your valve. Do it in the cup or container that it came in, or use your extra container that comes with this kit to do that. You can watch the full video for more information, and I'll put a link down below. And then lastly, that's it. You're looking for just kind of a smooth rolling. And after you've done powder coating your jigs, turn the valve off, unplug your compressor, drop one of the little desiccant packs into your fluid bed, put your cap back on, and that will help eliminate some of the humidity, which causes clumping and other problems with your powder coat. Thank you so much for ordering your fluid bed powder coating station from us. I hope you find it satisfactory. I'll also throw in a real quick clip on the end of how you can replace the filters if they become damaged or too many color swaps you're getting your paint to mix. Again, I'm using 4 standard coffee filters, and the other added benefit with the way that we're going to pressure fit these in with the ring that comes with your kit is you can actually push them in a little bit further, and you can get by with using a less powder at a time. And you can push that up a little bit further into the cup instead of it being flush on the bottom. There is a ring built into the base part of your complete cup that kind of forces the air into the center instead of it coming straight up the sides, which is a known issue with some of the other cups. Again, we appreciate each and every one of you. I hope you have a blessed week, and let's get outside and make something happen.
It is.